The KS301C is the latest light-curing ceramic 3D printing equipment developed by Kangshuo Group. The equipment features a variable forming table structure and automatic recycling of ceramic slurry. Efficient bidirectional slurry spreading, enabling rapid product formation. Multi-parameter printing, allowing different parts of a single product to be printed with different parameters. Efficient system integration, enabling a maximum printing efficiency of 18 cubic centimeters per hour per single printing head.